One of the best ways to make sure that you learn English every day is right when you wake up in the morning to write down your dreams in a dream diary. Okay, this is my dream diary, and I use it immediately when I wake up in the morning. Okay, I'm in the habit of asking myself, what did I dream? Okay, and then write it down. Now, why is this good for learning English? Because your brain, right when you wake up, is still in what we call alpha state. The brain waves in your brain are when it's best to learn. All right? You learn best in the alpha state. And usually it will take you a good 10 or 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes before you can get yourself into that state. About 20 minutes of focus on something before your brain becomes in the zone. Okay? In the zone is what we call it. And that is when we learn best. In this flow. But you don't have to spend those 20 minutes trying to get there if you immediately put yourself into learning English and studying English in the first 2 or 3 minutes of waking up. Because once you're in there, it's easier to maintain it. And you can maintain it throughout the whole day if you wake up and immediately put yourself into the habit of English, thinking in English, right? Thinking in English is one of the best ways to learn. And in order to think in English, wake up, write down your dreams immediately, and then you're telling your brain English. Okay, for the rest of the day, English. That's what you're telling your brain right when you get up. And there's another reason why I say it should be dreams, okay? So you could just immediately wake up and study something, right? But if you do it this way, then what you're doing is you're communicating with another part of your brain, your unconscious mind, to make the connection between dreaming and the English language. And it won't be long before that communication means you start to dream in English. Now you might think, oh, that's crazy, Gabriel. That's not going to happen. Where's your evidence? Well, in fact, this happened with me when I was studying Chinese. I would wake up and immediately, I wouldn't write it in Chinese, but I would say something in Chinese about my dream, and only a week later, after doing this for 1 week, did I have a dream in Chinese, my first dream in Chinese. So I know that it works because you're making a connection between your dreaming mind and your language. All right? Try it out. I would love to hear the results, and I'll see you in the next video.